Hey everybody, this is a video that several people has asked me to do, and it's grilling tips for tenderizing your meat without using all the salt and other tenderizers and stuff that contain salt. And this is also for people that need to watch their sodium. I'm going to show you how to tenderize your meat and cook it on the grill. And these are rib eyes, and without using salt to tenderize your meat. I'll cook one plain with nothing on it. Sodium is these are 12-ounce steaks, and it's 75 sodium for 4 ounces. So we're at 225 per steak. And then I'm going to show you how to tenderize them, and basically one of them I'll add 9 grams of sodium, the other one I'll add 2 grams of sodium. Then the plain one is to be just plain. And I'll also show you the product that I use also to season these on the grill. And the first one we'll leave plain. The second one we will use pineapple. And I'll show you how to core that out and to use that. And the next steak we will use kiwi, and I'll show you the difference in the steaks after we marinate them. We want to marinate them for 1 hour, and I'll show you how I do that. And see, these steaks right here are plain right now. And then I'll show you before I put them, after they're marinated, and before I put them on the grill. And I'll show them to you after I put them on the grill. And we might even do a little taste test. So here we're going to core out the pineapple. You want to make sure you use fresh pineapple. If you're getting it out of the can, you're defeating the purpose of getting rid of sodium. So we want to core that out. Get you one of these cores. You just start in the middle. The kiwi I just cut in 2, and then I just use a little spoon and I just core it out. And usually I get it cored out, and then I'll cut it right the ends off of it. There you go. So now we got them cored out. There's 2 kiwi and basically half a pineapple. I cored it out. I only need half. So you can, and save your, if you get big enough round pineapples, you can always use them for your adult beverage later. But pineapple and kiwi. And you use a food processor, or I don't have a food processor, so a blender works just fine. We'll dump that in, and then what we'll do is chop. I always hit chop. Get it all chopped off. What I do is I'll take a steak, use a food processor, take a steak, and I'll just pour it in. And I'll mix it up real good inside. Where it's, if you use 1 steak, 2 steaks, whatever. You get it all situated in there. And then we'll use the food processor. Make sure you get it all down on here in the nuts so moisture don't get sucked up in there. So you got your good seal tight thing here. And see how it just sucks at it right in? Then we'll do the pineapple next. Now it's the pineapple's turn. I just used half last time of the pineapple. Get it in there and get it all mixed up. So then we want to take these and we want to put them in the refrigerator and let them marinate for 1 hour. Here I want to show you before, it's been 1 hour and I want to show you the difference before I put them on the grill, and you can actually see it. This is the plain, nothing on it right here. This is the kiwi. Look how tender that is. Just in the kiwi. See that? You getting close shot. That's the kiwi. And this is the pineapple. Look at the break in that meat. And that's how tender that actually is. See the break? And now I'm gonna go put these on the grill. And say I like to get the grill up to 700 degrees before I even put the steaks on there. The reason why is at 700 degrees, when you put it on there, it's going to sear that meat immediately and lock in all the juices. And I'll put them on there for 2 minutes, and then we'll flip them over. And these are some of the spices I like to put on, like extra spicy. And I use Mrs. Dash. It's salt free. They're all salt free. Everything that they make is salt free. I'll put one that's grilling blend on there. Then I'll put extra spice, and then I'll also put a garlic and herb blend on there. So I'm going to put on the steaks, and then we're going to put these on. And then we're going to wait 2 minutes. Okay, this one here will be the pineapple. We'll put it right here. And this is the kiwi. Put it right there, and this will be the plain one. But I have one other person here, and they like the pineapple, so we're going to put it on too. And then we'll put our spices on. And I don't go light on the spices. I always put them on there pretty heavy. Then we'll flip her over in 2 minutes. It's been 2 minutes, and we want to flip these over now. And look, you can get a close-up on it, how tender this pineapple one is. It's wanting to break apart. And we just flip them over. We have our marks. Oh, look how tender this is, man. Almost have to use a spatula when you tenderize them this way. They do fall apart. This is gonna fall apart. There we go. Got our grill marks there. This is the kiwi, and look how tender it is. Grill marks. And you see this one's plain. You got your grill marks there. Now what I do is I like mine medium, so as soon as I flip them over and let them sear just a little bit, then I'll turn the flames down to low, and then I'll cook them to what you like. Your medium well done. Cook them to what you like, and that's when I'll take them off. It's not gonna work. One. This is the one with the pineapple. Look how that meat's just breaking apart there.
That was the one that's falling apart when we was trying to flip it.
And this is the one that was falling apart when I was trying to flip it. And this is the kiwi one. Now we're going to do a taste test, and I'll get a couple of volunteers and we'll go at it here.
Don't get my mess over here.
You mean that mess over?
Get cluttered over there.
Now this is the one that has nothing on it. Tender?
Yeah, good solid flavor and tender.
It's tender.
Okay, here's the kiwi.
Some more tender. It's really good.
Yeah, the kiwi is way more tender and has a better flavor and
Texture.
better texture too.
Okay, and then we got the pineapple.
Out of all three of them, between the plain, the kiwi, and the pineapple is the most tender. The kiwi to me holds a little better flavor, but out of all of them, I prefer the kiwi the most.
I'm a little different. I prefer the pineapple. It's really good. Little partial.
And then something else to show you what I mean about searing your meat at 700 degrees and locking it in. If you can get a close up here, look at all the juice that's coming out with by searing it at 700 degrees on one side. And to me, that makes a perfect steak when you got all the juices locked in there. And this is my grilling tips that everybody's asked me to do this video, and so I've done one. So give me a feedback with your comments, a thumbs up, or even subscribe if you like this video or stuff that I have on my channels. There's a variety of stuff on my channels, so if you like it, any of my videos, just please subscribe. You never know what I want to do next. And if you got any comments on my grilling tips or anything like that, feel free to leave comments. Thanks for watching.